Hi guys, so in the past I made a video about the technique you can use to brush your teeth and with what products so that you can have a fresh and clean breath all the time. Okay, but did you know that there is a spice that you can just chew on, chew, chew on, so that you can actually achieve the same results but even better because it has even way more benefits. Okay, by spice I mean something we usually use for our food, and also women use it for more intimate matters. So let's just dive into it. Okay. If you're new here, my name is Saidat Katinde, and I also have a Facebook page where we discuss other issues regarding the vagina. Yeah, once in a while, I throw in these things about fresh breath. So the spice that I'm talking about, these are cloves. I'm sure some of you have heard about it, but maybe there's some things you don't know about this special spice. Simply chewing on just one clove can freshen your breath instantly, and it also helps to fight against cavities and also relieve you from the tooth pain that you have. But that's not all. As women, we use it to, because it has all these numerous properties. We use it to fight off vaginal infections like candida. Okay. What we do is that we put it in a jar for about 3 days. We put a couple of cloves in a jar with water for about 3 days, and then we use it to wash down there. All right. It's not 100% effective, but it helps out some women. But of course, it comes with side effects, and I mean serious side effects if taken wrongly. All right. So before I actually go really into that other part, let me just also mention that if you have digestive issues, if you're feeling nauseous, if you're experiencing constipation, diarrhea, cloves can help you relieve these conditions. Cloves have so many beneficial properties that they are used in soaps, toothpaste, and also cosmetics. So let us discuss what I know about cloves, and then how you're supposed to take it so that you don't overdose and then get things like liver damage. Cool, 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 cool. So the best way to use cloves is to chew or suck on one, or maybe one to three, a few times in the day. All right, but do not use clove oil or powdered cloves. What I mean is that it takes so many cloves to create clove oil or to create powdered oil. It will be more than just sucking or chewing on one or three. You get my point? When you do the other thing, the powder and the oil, it's like you're taking overdose, so you wouldn't know how much to use, so that you can prevent serious issues. To make matters worse, when it comes to clove oil, it was found that this oil can cause people to fall into a coma, to have fits, and also to have acute liver damage. The eugenol in cloves might also irritate the oral cavity. So individuals that consume a lot of these cloves, they can experience sensations of hotness, or let me say warmth, and pain in the mouth. So they will irritate your soft tissue, and this can also lead to mouth ulcers. Okay, now some of the short-time effects can be increased risk of bleeding due to blood thinning, lower blood sugars, and also allergies. The long-term effects may be toxic. Okay, that is where it leads you to have liver damage, and in severe cases you might fall into a coma. So cloves also have some drugs that it doesn't work well with. Okay, drug interactions, for example, if you're on blood thinning medication. So that's why it's important, before you even venture into this holistic herbal way of living or lifestyle, just make sure that you just pass it through your doctor, just to make sure. And also sometimes AI or Google can give you a little bit of knowledge on what you need to know before you move forward, if you are on any medication or if you have any kind of condition that you are aware of. So guys, there's no reason for you to have bad breath anymore when you can just chew on a clove. You can even chew it before a date, okay, or before you get intimate with anybody, or after work. The whole thing is, after work, sometimes there's a bad buildup of bacteria in our mouth, and they don't smell fresh, especially if you're the kind of person who doesn't hydrate a lot throughout the day. Of course, some people chew on gum, which is all right, but a clove, one clove will be better. All right. So see you next.